Hey, it's Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. We've got the PVC Hunting Blind. Come check it out.
A list of the items you will need to build this design are in the description, as well as a link to the full video.
Hi, this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to be talking about the video you just saw with the PVC Hunting Blind. We use this new adjustable fitting to make that possible. This is the 1.25" adjustable fitting, similar to our 1" adjustable fittings, but this is a little bit of an upgrade. You have that total motion like you have with the 1", but without the tools required for the last design. Simply twist this and lock it into any angle. Untwist it, it loosens up, lock into that position, and you're all set. All right, next we're going to be taking our adjustable. This is going to be going on the end here. Next we're going to be taking the 4-way adjustable in the short section of PVC pipe that we cut and placing it right on the end just like this. Tighten everything down. You can use a rubber hammer for this whole assembly. Makes everything nice and taut and fully seated into those pipe fittings. Next, you're taking the 40" section of PVC pipe and you're going to come in down at the bottom here. This here is the 4-way adjustable. We also have the adjustable currently in the 3-way and a 2-way option. You connect these to your 4-way adjustables all the way around. Using self-tapping screws right now, or you can use the Circo Pin like I said before. We're going to go ahead and use the 4 ways with these sections here, tying together the roof so it's nice and sturdy. Then we'll put the legs on. Now we're taking our long sections here. We're going to go underneath and put it into the bottom of the 4-way. Also, what you want to do here on the bottom of the 4-way, it can tighten by spinning this section here. You're going to want to tighten all these portions while you put this in. Then you're going to want to get this fully seated. There's also a hole where you can put a screw into or the Circo Pin. All right, now we finished the frame, we're talking about the covering. We're going to be using snap clamps to hold those coverings on. This is an 1.25" PVC pipe frame, so we're using an 1.25" PVC snap clamp. You can use a heavy material or a light material. I'm going to let you decide what you put on this cover, but it's a really nice setup. Good for hunting, like we found it's a hunting blind, but you could also use it as like a greenhouse for gardening or like a small shed. All right, we finished the cover now. We're using PVC pipe. Something to think about is PVC pipe and the fittings can be easily painted inexpensively to your desired color.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, such as our new video coming out very soon on the PVC Lightroom box. And to purchase any of these items, go to www.circoinnovations.com.